Hey, I got a question. You got a husband? You got a wife? Hold on, you got a bae? Oh, you got a boo thing. If you got something like that, then you running out of time. Go get this Valentine's Day gift. But I'm here to help you because I know it's like last minute. We got to worry about COVID. Things looking rough. You like, I don't even have good ideas. It's COVID time, so you can keep it pretty simple, pretty traditional. So I'm here to give you some good traditional ideas and something that's out of the box. And then I'm going to warn you about what you can potentially do for next year, but you definitely can't do it this year. But maybe you can give a heads up and that can be a part of your gift that this is what we'll do next year. Welcome to my channel if you've never been to my channel. And for those of you who are returning, thank you for returning. Here are some wonderful gifts that you can have delivered to the office, that you can have delivered at the house if maybe they're doing like me and working from home. I mean, we always want to make sure that person knows we love them, right? That we care about them, that they're on our mind. This is the time of year to do it. Stick around. Okay, so I get it. Everybody gets roses every year, or it's such a common or redundant, gift. But they're always nice. You can never go wrong with roses. The red means love. So if you're looking at something that can go to the office, brighten up their office, you're looking for something that's gonna definitely make their day. It's only a day. So why not do roses? Roses are always nice. You can just do regular roses. You can put a bow on it or even a balloon. They can be delivered COVID free. Great idea. So now we have another idea. How about edible arrangements? They're doing great too. This is a great COVID idea. It's healthy. It brightens them up for the day. It's something they can share with their colleagues. Always great. But let's say we don't want to do either one of those because those are so redundant. Everybody does them all the time. Let's just go to Walmart. They have tons of flowers starting at $4.57 for a whole bundle of them. If you want, you can even grab some balloons. This is a deal. But what you're going to do is take it to the house and do a picnic on the back porch. And, add your sense of style to it or whatever. But guess what? You guys don't even have to leave the house. No reservations. You're not open to the whole COVID situation. Get the kids out of the house. Get someone to watch them for a few hours. Make a great meal. Spread it across the table. Of course, decorate. You can check on so many different YouTube channels or even like Pinterest and get ideas on how to decorate your table. But make it amazing. Okay, so I get it. You're like, yeah, this sounds good, but then I gotta cook. Nope, really you don't. Call in some carry out. There are too many restaurants in the area that's looking for folks to still enjoy their food. Get some carry out. Whatever restaurant. This is just an example. That's one of my favorite restaurants. But get an example. Go ahead and get food from anywhere and put it on a table. Plate it as if you made it. Great idea, right? That's your dinner outside on the porch. No kids. Okay, so now you're all done with dinner. How about go in the next room in the house and let's do wine and design in the house. Y'all will love it. Just get your wine, watch YouTube to help you with the drawing, and knock it out. Okay, now, ladies, we're always out here worrying about a gift for ourselves. Why don't we go ahead and prepare for next year for these guys? Because this year was kind of busted. Get them tickets for a game for next year, a football game, basketball game, whatever game. Okay, no? All right. Well, how about a trip together? Like, tickets are low, hotel prices are a little bit lower than normal because of COVID. especially in Vegas. Just some ideas for next year. Okay, so you. Yeah, you. I see that you came back to this channel and you hadn't subscribed yet. I'm watching you. Go ahead, hit that button. It's okay. You can even hit the alerts. Thank you so much for coming back by. Those of you who are already subscribed, commenting, visiting over and over again, please share, please like. Thank you guys for joining in my community. I can't wait to see you guys on the next video.